గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. కరోనా విషయంలో ఎలా ఉంటున్నారు? జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండండి. పేరెంట్స్ని ఇబ్బంది పెట్టకుండా జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండి ఆరోగ్యంగా కాపాడుకోవడం చాలా ముఖ్యం. కాబట్టి జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండండి. ఓకే, టుడేస్ టాపిక్ ఈజ్ triangle and its properties. In the previous class we learned about angles, types of angles. It means zero angle, right angle, acute angle, straight angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle, okay, etc. etc. But today, triangle and its properties. A simple closed figure formed by three line segments is called a triangle. It means triangle having three sides. It is a closed figure. Okay. Based on sides, triangles are three types. Based on sides, triangles are three types. First one, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. In this triangle, three sides are equal. Three sides are equal, not angles. Based on sides only. So, equilateral triangle, three sides are equal. If the triangle is having three sides equal, that is called equilateral triangle. Second one, scalene triangle. Scalene triangle, it means three sides are different. Any two sides are not equal. Three sides are different. So, that type of triangle is called scalene triangle. Third one, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. In this type of triangle, two sides are equal. Here, first one, three sides are equal. Here, any two sides not equal. In this type, two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. Once again, based on sides, triangles are three types. Equilateral triangle, three sides are equal. Scalene triangle, any two sides are not equal. Isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. This is based on sides. One more is there. Based on angles, triangles are three types. Triangles are three types. First one, acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle. In this type, three angles are acute angles. It means below 90 degrees. Below 90 degrees. So, that is the type of angle are called acute angled triangle. Second one, right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. It means in a triangle, one angle is right angle. It means 90 degrees. Only one angle is 90 degrees. So, that is called right angled triangle. Third one, obtuse angled triangle. In this triangle, only one angle is obtuse angle. It means above 90 and below 180. Remaining two are acute angles. It means one angle is obtuse angle. So this type of triangle is called obtuse angled triangle. The important thing is only one angle is obtuse angle. Remaining two are acute angles. So this is the main thing. Okay, once again, acute angled triangle. Three angles are less than 90. Less than 90. So that is acute angled triangle. Right angle triangle. One angle is having 90 degrees. So that is called, only one angle is having 90 degrees. So that is called right angled triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. Only one angle is having obtuse angle. It means above 90 and below 180. Remaining two are acute angles. So this type of triangle is called obtuse angled triangle. Okay. One more point. The side opposite to the right angle in a triangle is called hypotenuse. It means this is a right angled triangle. This is the right angle. This is the right angle. This side is called hypotenuse. It is only in right angle triangle only. Okay. So this is called hypotenuse. This is the right angle. Opposite side of the right angle. This opposite side is this. This is called hypotenuse. This is the longest side in this triangle. This is the longest side in this triangle. Okay. Once again I am repeating. Listen carefully. See here. A simple closed figure formed by three line segments is called triangle. Okay. Based on sides, triangles are three types: equilateral triangle, scalene triangle, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay, next one. Based on angles, triangles are three types. One is acute angled triangle. Three angles are acute angles. Right angle triangle. One angle is having right angle. Obtuse angle triangle. One angle is obtuse angle. Next, the side opposite to the right angle in a triangle is called hypotenuse. Okay. Have a nice day. Take care of your health.